What would you do if an additional $1,000 a week landed in your bank account? Would you pay your rent early, pay off your credit card debts, or perhaps grocery runs without feeling stressed and overwhelmed? In today's economy, that kind of financial boost feels out of reach. And I'm here to tell you that it can be done. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 side hustles that's gonna help you to earn an extra $1,000 a week using skills you already possess, tools that are free to you or low cost. Hi, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're new to the channel here. My name is Ami and I talk about self-development, beauty, and fashion tips to help you level up. If those are videos you enjoy, subscribe to the channel below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss what's coming. Oh, before we get started, I've created a free worksheet for you that's gonna help you to map out your first side hustle. It includes an income tracker, a skill finder, and a sample post you can copy and use today. Check the description bar below to download your free $1,000 a week planner. Without further ado, grab a pen and paper and let's get straight to the video. Here's a simple exercise I use with my friends and clients to help them unlock their income ideas. Number 1, list your skills. List at least 3 or more skills that you naturally possess, things you're great at. Number 2, what is it that people ask you for? What is it that your friends, family, colleagues are always needing your help with? Number 3, what is it that you enjoy doing and don't mind doing? Pause the video if you need to and write that list down, because that list could be the one that change your finances. Now that you have your list down, let's go ahead and plug some of those into some real opportunities, because this is where things go from dreaming to doing. Side hustle number 1 is rideshare driving. Driving for rideshare services like Uber and Lyft, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $300 a day, depending on the city, hours, and time of day. If you live in a major city, $1,000 a week is realistic. The best part about this side hustle is the flexibility. You can turn your app on and off whenever you want to. Here's how you can get started. Sign up on Uber or Lyft website, get your vehicle inspected, and within few days, you will be ready to hit the road. On Friday, I drove 5 hours and made $140. That is $28 per booked hour. And I only spent about $20 for gas. So my profit was about $120. Don't have a car? They will rent one to you. Drive during the peak times, like the weekends, Friday nights and Saturday nights. That's when you're gonna make the most amount. Side hustle number 2 is freelance writing and content creation. Think writing blog posts, social media content, and website copy. With this side hustle, you can earn anywhere from $20 an hour to $30 an hour, depending on your experience. If you are an experienced writer, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $600 plus per article. My friend Cynthia, who is a stay-at-home mom to 2 little toddlers, started writing blog posts for a pet brand last year, and within 3 months' time, Cynthia was earning $1,200 per month writing blog posts for a pet company. If Cynthia can do that with 2 little ones, I trust that you can too with some downtime. To get started, create a sample portfolio and post it on Fiverr and Upwork and inform your network about it. Post it on all of your social platforms, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook. Let people know that you're available. Tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT can help you brainstorm if you need some help. But you always want to make sure that your creativity is what you're putting out there, because that is what's gold. Side hustle number 3 is online tutoring, teaching subjects you are good at: math, language, SAT prep, science, any subject you are great at. If you were a nerd in school, this is your time to shine. Online tutoring can earn you anywhere from $15 an hour to $100 an hour. Some tutors are getting paid $5K per month. There's particularly high demand for English tutors in countries like China and South Korea. Parents are eager to invest in their children's English fluency, and they're willing to pay premium rate. And you don't need a degree. All you need is your passion for teaching. I personally know a mom who tutors my daughter with math. She's been tutoring my daughter for the past 2 years while her toddler sleeps. She's earning $45 an hour. If you think this is a great side hustle for you, sign up on TutorMe or Wizant and post it in local mom groups. Create a poster, drop it off to your local schools. Inform other parents about it so they can inform other parents about it. And sooner or later, you will have a whole bunch of students. Canva or AI tools like Canmingo can help you create worksheets, create visuals, and lessons plan. Side hustle number 5 is virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help small business owners manage their admin work, scheduling, email, social media posting. Entry-level virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $15 an hour to $25 an hour. Specialized virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $50 an hour to $100 an hour. I once helped a colleague who is a huge deal on social media manage her calendar and her social media posting for a week. I worked a 10 hours week and I earned $30 an hour. So an extra $1,000 a week is totally doable with this side hustle. Here's how you can get started. Create a simple offer. Hey, I'm available to manage your inbox or create graphic designs. Inbox me if you're interested. Tools like Older AI or Google Calendar can help your tasks faster. Hey, if this video is helping you so far, give it a quick thumbs up and comment down below that you are committed to building an extra income. Also, if you want to see how I saved $70K in 2 years as a single mom to 2, check this video linked above. You will be glad you did. I'm also going to pin it down in a comment section below. Let's get back into the video. Number 5 is freelance graphic design. Designing logos, flyers, Instagram posts, websites. Earnings average around $25 an hour to $75 an hour. You can design anything from coffee mugs to t-shirts, wedding invitations, birthday cards. I made $800 one week designing t-shirts for a local organization right here in my town. I think $1,000 a week is definitely doable. Here's how you can get started. Build a Figma or a Canva portfolio and promote your designs on Instagram, Etsy, and all of your social platforms. Use tools like Adobe Firefly and Canvas AI to speed up some of your designs. Canva AI has pre-designs where it can be as simple as just replacing the words with whatever words you want to use. But you always want to make sure that your work is unique. Your creativity is what you're selling, because your creativity is what's gold. It's what people are looking to purchase. Side hustle number 6 is freelance digital marketing. For this side hustle, you're helping businesses grow online. Your roles include creating marketing plans, social media account management, email campaigns, and ads. Earnings average around $37.50 on talent.com. $1,000 a week is totally doable. To get started, take a free course in one area, maybe email marketing or social media account management, and work for a local business for free to gain experience. You can use tools like MailChimp, SEMrush, or Metricool to track your growth. Number 7 is affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning commission when someone buys using your link. Some creators can earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 a week once established. When I got into the Amazon affiliate program, I posted about a skincare brand that I genuinely love, a skincare product that I've been using for years and years and years. But when I posted that link, within 24 hours, I had $75 in earnings. It can be as simple as that. So use things that you already have lying around. It can be a furniture brand. It could be a jewelry that you purchased off of Amazon or the TikTok shop. It can even be a seasoning brand, kitchenwares, cleaning supplies. Showcase it and people are going to use your link, and that's how you get in the business. So what are you waiting for? Turn your camera on and get started. It's as easy as just pushing a button and showcasing something. You're probably thinking, Ami, these are great ideas, but how do I fit this into my already packed schedule? I hear you and I get it. Work, life, children, but here's what helped me, and perhaps it can help you. Treat your side hustle like an appointment. Batch your tasks. The most important part about this is you want to stay connected to your why. Even if you start with $100 or $300 a month, that's money that can go towards your bills. If you're feeling fired up and ready to start, here's a simple action plan. Pick one idea that stood out to you today, create a simple offer or a sample, and post it on your social stories and list it on Fiverr. Example, hey friends, I'm offering resume reviews this week. If you're job hunting, message me, let's work together. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Start small and stay consistent. If this video gave you even one idea, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming. And don't forget to watch how I made $70,000 in 2 years as a single mom. I'm gonna link that video down below for you guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you over in that video.